Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today, I'll be reviewing for Easter-themed Nerds Rope. Easter! Sweet and crunchy on the outside, which is the nerd. I review another nerd that's linked above. And soft and chewy. So that is not the nerd. It is like a fruit little chewy string gummy thing. And since that's sticky, the nerds stick to it. That's why it's called a nerd rope. Alright, so here's the nutrition facts and ingredients. Doesn't say it contains anything that might be allergic. Anyways, let's first rip it open. Got it. And since if the nerd falls out, we don't want that. So well. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. Here it comes. Told you it was a nerd rope. It's like Easter, right? They're so cute. And it's right, there is some type of gummy that's in the inside. I'm trying to show you it. Taking off the nerds. Ick, it's so sticky. But anyways, let's try it. The nerds only. They're softer than the nerds. Oof. I'm gonna try to rip one of this off. Oof. You try, Daddy. The nerds, including the rope. So cute and delicious. It's just actually pretty good and healthy. Just kidding, it's not healthy. Daddy is coming with the scissors. Daddy, I can try to cut it. We're gonna cut it more efficiently instead of using my hands. That's better. So nothing really special, just some, nerds and some of those gummy, sticky. Now I can finally kind of bite. And I don't have to go searching through the nerds in order to cut out the bites. That's more efficient, right? Cut that in half there. There you go, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 divided by 3. We can't do that. Well, I'll take this, that's mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 divided by 3, we can't do that either, so I'll take that away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can do that because 2 each. My mom's not here, but let's say there's an invisible mom here. That's mine, and I get 4. Well, that's because I'm a kid. My mom doesn't like gummies. The gigantic nerd. They come in Easter colors. But I like it. Good thing too. If my mother doesn't like it, fine, I'll eat hers. My father is sucking the nerds off so he can get to the gummy. I love it. So, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again on this, right now, white and brown table. And I hope to see you guys again and happy Easter. Bye!